Today we're checking out these Jeep licensed by RedRock 3-inch round curved side step bars in texture black for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door. If you want an easier step into the cab with a classic factory plus look and you don't want to hang anything too low and compromise ground clearance, then these round side steps are a clean bolt-on option that are definitely worth checking out. These run the full cab length, so you get a step up for the driver and the passengers in the back, and you're not going to lose any ground clearance since they hug those body lines nice and tight. The curved ends tuck in smoothly at the wheel arches to match the JL's body. And the wide step pads give you a confident foothold even in rain, mud, or snow. Because they're designed specifically for the JL 4-door, these steps are going to land and line right up where you need them at each door. The brackets hit those factory mounting points perfectly, and the whole setup sits solid without any rattling over time. On the day-to-day, these are going to make it easier for passengers to climb in and out of the Jeep, especially useful for younger and older passengers. They also keep scuffs off those rocker panels and help prevent annoying parking lot door dings. They also add a finished look that feels like it could have come straight from the factory, so they don't look out of place once they're on the vehicle. You're getting 3-inch round steel tubing with a durable texture black powder coat to fight chips, salt, and any corrosion down the road. And in that molding with the Jeep logo, there's nice grip and nice deep pads, so even in mud and snow, you're still gonna get a nice foothold with a little bit of grip under your foot. These capped ends are gonna keep out moisture from the tubes, and the brackets are nice and sturdy so it feels solid underfoot and you're not getting any bowing when you go to step in the Jeep. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this is coming in right around that mid $200 price range. That is a great value for a complete vehicle-specific kit that has Jeep branding and it's ready to install right out of the box. And stick with me because we're getting to that install here next. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in about 2 hours of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's head on out to the shop. We're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you're going to need a 3/8 ratchet, a 16mm wrench, a 10mm wrench, along with a 10mm, a 13mm, and a 17mm socket. Today we're going to be installing a set of side steps on a Wrangler. Let's get started. All right, we're going to start off on the driver's side with our center bracket. One thing to quick note, the brackets are labeled driver center, driver front, driver rear, and same thing for the passenger side. So we're going to start off in this position and get our provided hardware started. And we're going to leave that loose on there for now so we can get the other bracket in. All right, now we can install our support bracket onto the pinch weld. With our hardware, we have a bolt and a flat washer on one side, followed by another flat washer, and our locking nut. Once we have that on, we can let go and let it hang, and we can get our other side in. Now we can connect our middle support with our bolt, flat washer, and our flat washer with our locking nut. Now we can tighten down our pinch weld bolts using our 10mm wrench and our 10mm socket. Now we can tighten up our middle support bolt using our 17 socket on the nut side and our 16 wrench on the bolt side. And finally, we can tighten up our upper support with our 13mm socket. Once you have all of these bolts tightened down, you can repeat the same process for the front and the rear support bracket, and also repeat the entire process for the other side. All right, now that we have our brackets on for our side step, we're gonna make sure and line up our holes for the brackets and then mount our side step on the side. And now with the provided hardware, we're gonna try to get one started so we can go back underneath. All right, now that we have in a couple threads just to hold it in place, we're gonna go back underneath and install the rest of the bolts. All right, now we can install the rest of the hardware onto our step bar. Get this threaded in here. And now we can tighten these down with our 13mm socket. All right, once you have these two tightened down, you're gonna repeat this for the other two brackets and also repeat the entire process for the other side. All right, that wraps up our install for Jeep licensed by RedRock 3-inch round curved side step bars in textured black for 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door. Just remember, for everything Wrangler related, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.